Now I'm gonna discolor the whole tube. Greetings, Earthlings! Well, it is Sunday evening, and I was starting to really stress out because I didn't have anything to film. I mean, I had things I could film, but I don't know, I haven't been inspired lately. So I quickly ran to Marshalls and TJ Maxx to see what new stuff I could find. Lately, it's just been the same stuff over and over again. But I found a couple things I hadn't seen before, and we're gonna try it out right now. So first, let's try out this little Smashbox palette. This is a Smashbox LA Lights Blush and Highlight Palette in Culver City Coral. This was $9.99. It's still available. It's still available on the Sephora website for $35, I think. It comes with a deeper coral color, a medium coral color, and then like a coral highlighting color. I think I'm going to go with, I might do this one over here. It's not bad. It's a quite matte formula. I think I like the one in the middle more. It's called True Coral. Yeah. That's the end of that story. Now we'll move on to this highlighter that I got. This is the bareMinerals Invisible Glow Powder Highlight. I didn't know that it was in different shades. This one is in the shade medium, and I paid $9.99 for this. Looks like this. Swatch it. Ooh, this is really pretty. This is really pretty. Oh my goodness, I am in love with this. This might be my new favorite highlighter. Like, I love it that much. It's nice and subtle. It's subtle, but not subtle. It's like a pinky gold color. This is gonna go in my caboodle with my everyday favorite products. All right, now this, I was kind of excited to see there. This is one of the MAC Girls eyeshadow palettes. This is in Risk Taker. They had another one there. It was Queen something or another. Not sure what kind of eye look I want to do with this. Maybe something pinky. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be an eyeshadow shade or a highlighter. This is still available on Ulta for full price of like $40, and I paid $25. Okay, so it turns out I really like this eyeshadow palette. Can you believe that I actually went there yesterday, saw the two MAC palettes, and then told myself that I didn't need them, and then left? Luckily, they were where I left them yesterday, and I decided to get this one, and I'm glad. I really like it. This shade right here is so pretty. What is it called? Fashion Fanatic. I put this like all over the outer corner and a little bit in the crease, and then this one right here, goodness, Outfitted. It's more of like a glitter than it is anything else. It probably could have used some kind of like a primer or something underneath it, but I think it's so pretty. Oh, that's a terrible swatch, but I really like these. Let's swatch some more. Let's get some of this one, some of this one. There, that's better. They're so pretty. That pink shade just blew my mind. Ah, that's so pretty. All right, well, we're already almost done. I found a few lip products. Thank goodness. Like, if you can see right there, I have my collection of Too Faced Peach Kiss lipsticks that I found all at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Well, they finally started coming out with more. I found two shades I didn't have, a Drunkadile and a Butterfly. These were $6.99 a piece. They recently redid the packaging, which is, I do believe, why they are discounted now. All right, let's see this shade. Drunkadile. That's such a pretty color. I'm 99% sure I don't have it. I don't have it. And this one I don't see myself wearing very often. This one's Butterfly. It's a very light, like, lilac color. Kind of like a hot violet. But which one should I wear? I don't think either of them are really gonna match the hot pink that I did. But let's go ahead and do Drunkadile. I love me some deep berry and purple lipsticks. I really should have used the lip liner. Oh my goodness. But they go on so smooth and so pigmented. Why did I put the cap way over there? Alright, well, I tried to fix it. While this dries, and I'll get to the reason why I want it to dry in a minute, I was so excited. Not that long ago, I complained that I haven't been able to find any more Vera Wang Princess perfumes anywhere. And I have found yet another one. This one, oh, excuse me, is Vera Wang Hippie Princess. I got this for $15. I couldn't find it anywhere on the internet, but this size originally would go for $45, the 1 fluid ounce. I haven't even smelled it yet, but I collect the Vera Wang Princess ones. I recently found Princess of Hearts and Princess Noir, which were two that I didn't have. This one is the 2015 one. I think it's like listed as a fruity, floral, sweet, tropical something, right? Something like that. It's not my favorite. No, it's not my favorite. Oh well, the cap is cute. This one, it has like little like turquoise dots. Well, it hasn't completely dried down yet, but I did find this Buxom full-on lip polish in Alyssa. This was $3.99. This is still $21 at Ulta. And I love these. It's in opal color. I'm just going to go ahead and put it on top and see what happens. What happens is I'm going to destroy this wand and color it purple. That nice, lovely, tingling feeling. But look what I did. I'm dumb. Now I'm gonna discolor the whole tube. Well, alright friends, there you have it. This was my most recent spur of the moment. I wanted to spend money. TJ Maxx and Marshalls beauty haul. I'm very happy with everything. I am in love with the highlight. I really like the eyeshadow palette. I love the Too Faced lipsticks. I mean, they're not my favorite shades, but I collect them. Same with the perfume. It's starting to wear on me, I guess. I don't know. Not really. The blush palette is okay. Yeah. Okay, well, I need to wipe this off before it rubs all over my clothes. I already have like foundation all over my sweater. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will love you forever.